I've got some sausages cooking.
Because I'm just about to cook up a really simple, easy dinner. I know how much you guys love the simple, easy dinners, and this one is another absolute cracker. Hardly any ingredients. It's actually pretty healthy as well. It's a beautiful sausage and pesto pasta. Mate, this thing is so quick and easy. There's hardly any ingredients. Tastes awesome. What more do you want? Let's start cooking.
So, besides the 6 to 8 sausages that I've cut up and I've started cooking, you'll also need some pasta, of course, a bag of spinach. I'm using some parmesan cheese, and the star of this meal is some pesto. You'll need a jar of that as well. And wow, those sausages are already finished cooking. Oh well, might as well throw those off and throw the water on. Oh boy, that's boiling already!
Amazing! But anyway, we know what we need to do now is cook the pasta. I might as well throw the whole bag of it in, because I'm not going to use like 7/8 of it and then keep the other 1/8 of it lying around for later, just in case, am I? So in you go. Oh boy, I hope this pot's big enough. It should be. Cooks in 12 minutes.
No worries. I'll put that on for 12 minutes.
And while I'm waiting for that pasta to cook, all I have to do now is cut up some cherry tomatoes. Just in half is fine. So I did cut up those sausages as well. They were slightly frozen, which made them easier to cut. I took them out of the freezer and, well, I just cut them while they were slightly frozen. You could always cook those sausages and we'll cut them up later on after they're cooked. Or you can just leave them whole. These little tomatoes have a really nice sweet flavour about them. A little bit like me, really. Stop it. So now I've cut these up, I'll just put them back in the container. It'll make life easier later on. Gee, wow, this recipe really is easy. Before I know it, I'm just finishing it off. Man, this video is going to be a short one. Short but sweet. Radio alarm, I can hear you. So now the alarm's gone off. All I need to do now is drain my pasta. Bada boom. I might just quickly give this saucepan a rinse because I'm going to be using it again. Or you might need a bigger one actually. I'll just see how this one goes. So I'll just turn the heat back on to a sort of a lowish sort of temperature. I'll put the pasta back. Yes. I'll leave that for the rats. And now I'll just add in my sausage. I should have used the bigger saucepan. I'll get one. So you're not going to believe this. I forgot to press record when I was adding these things in, but all I did was add the tomatoes, the spinach, and that jar of pesto, and giving it a mix. And, well, that's it. Dinner's done. Oh, God, I can't believe I forgot to push record. But you get the gist of it. Believe me, it was super easy. Pretty much goes to show that you don't need a lot of brain cells to make this meal. Now, something else you might want to add into the pan is some parmesan cheese, or you can just add it on top later, which is what I'm going to do. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. If only you could have seen how easy it was to make. Anyway, let's give it a go, huh? Oh yeah. Get some sausage there, some tomato, and some of the green stuff as well. So easy, so tasty, and pretty cheap to make as well. Very Italian tasting. Si, senor. Mate, that tastes so good and it was so easy to make. So come on fellas, give it a go and let me know down below if you do make it and let me know what you think. Anyway, I'm going to finish this off. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Hopefully I'll remember to push record next time. Cheers fellas.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen where the pesto pasta sausage I made today. If you'd actually seen me make it, you would have been surprised. It was